So this is similar to your example 1.7. This is an exercise sum, but similar to example 1.7. Two simultaneous equations are given which we have to solve using matrix inversion method. So what do? We write the coordinates of x and y in a matrix first. So it is 7, 3, 2 and 1. This, when we multiply with x and y, we get 7x plus 3y and 2x plus y, right? And then the resultant is also written in a matrix form, -1, 0. So this we can write it as matrix A, this is matrix X, and this we can call it as matrix B. Therefore AX equal to B. Now if I want to find out only X, it becomes, when I take A to the other side of the equal to sign, it becomes A inverse. This A inverse B. So that is why I am solving for X using matrix inversion method. Now can we find what is the formula to find inverse? The formula is A inverse, I am just writing it in the corner here. A inverse is equal to 1 by mod A into adjoint of A. Okay, so we'll start by finding mod A. Mod A is equal to this into this minus this into this. So 7 minus 6, which is 1. Now let's proceed by finding the adjoint of A. To find the adjoint of A, we have to find the cofactors first, right? So let's start. So the cofactor of 7 is, when you hide the corresponding row and the column, you get 1, right? The cofactor of 3 is 2 when you hide the corresponding row and column. The cofactor of 2 is 3, and the cofactor of 1 here is 7. And then to put the signs, as you know, the diagonally opposite elements will have the same sign, right? So plus, plus, minus, minus. Now adjoint of A will be the transpose of the cofactored matrix, right? So can we transpose the above matrix? So it will be 1, minus 2 and minus 3, 7. Now to find X, right? Okay, before that, A inverse is nothing but 1 by mod A into adjoint of A, right? We wrote the formula here. Since mod A is equal to 1, A inverse is the same as adjoint of A. Okay, so A inverse is also 1, minus 3, minus 2, 7. Now to find out X, we know that X is equal to A inverse B. So we're just one step away from finding the solution. So all we have to do is multiply this inverse, A inverse, with B. What was B matrix? -1 and 0, right? Into -1, 0. So what do you get when you multiply this? 1 into -1 plus this into this, which will anyway be 0. So -1. The next row, -2 into -1, which is +2. Anyway, this into 0 is 0. So -2 into -1 is +2, right? Therefore, we can write it as X equal to -1 and Y equal to 2. So this will be your answer. This is a 6-mark question, and any other sum, a 2 cross 2 matrix inversion method sum will be very similar to this. So if you can go through this sum in example 1.7, you can attempt any sum.